Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern, and this is a reverse pattern, a triangle pattern and its patient time pattern. So firstly we include the header file stdi.h and conio.h, and after include the header files, now we create a main function with return type int, and we will return 0 for the main function. And after creating the main function, now we declare the integer type variable I and j, and now we used the nested for loop to build this pattern in C programming language. और यहाँ पे हम गेट ch फंक्शन का यूज़ करेंगे टू होल्ड द आउटपुट स्क्रीन. इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग टर्बो सी देन it is mandatory to use the get ch and clear screen function to clear the screen. And now we declare integer type variable I and j, and after declaration of I and j variable, now we create outer for loop for moving the rows. We initialize I equals to 1 and check condition I less than equals to 5 and I increment to 1. Now we create inner loop that is used for moving the columns. Now we initialize j equals to 1 and j less than equals to 5 and j increment to 1. Now we check the condition using if else. So firstly we check the condition if I greater than if I less than equals to j, then we print the j with the percentile d specifier, and in else part we print the space. So I hope you understand, and when you compiled this program there is no error and it is successfully compiled, and when you run this program the accurate output is shown as below, and it is the simplest and efficient manner to build or understand the logic for this pattern. And we only check the condition if I less than equals to j, then we print the j because in each columns numbers are constantly repeated, so we always used the inner loop variable to print if we have a column wise pattern. So I hope you understand, and like, share and subscribe my channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching, and do work hard and get success. Consistency is matter in every work, so always be consistent in your work, and one day you will achieve what you want.
I
Bye
know
bye.
one